Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S25 and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen, top right side, and then swipe down here to extend the list of visible toggles. One of those should be power saving mode, for me it's visible right over here. Once you tap on it, it automatically turns itself on and that's it. Now if you hold it, this will take you to the settings and also let you know what kind of changes will happen when you turn it on. You do need to have it off to change those. At least I believe so. Or I guess not. So now we can actually change them while it's enabled. But here we have a bunch of things. So we have things like limit CPU speed to 70%, turn off always on display, decrease brightness, motion smoothness, and so on. So you can go through those, customize them, and obviously these will take effect when you enable power saving mode. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.